Hi friends, welcome back. Today let us see how to make a soft and fluffy whole wheat bread. The bread is so soft, it won't crumble even if you squeeze it. Look at the bread texture. Thank you friends for all the support. Please don't forget to press the like button if you like the video, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you. The bread is healthy as well as delicious, and it is very easy to make. So let us see how to make it. Into a bowl, we'll take 3/4 teaspoon of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 300 ml of milk and water. Here I have taken half milk and half water. It should be lukewarm. If you're using active dry yeast, first activate the yeast and then we'll add the flour. Here I have taken 420 grams of whole wheat flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well. And into this we'll add 1 egg. This is optional. You can use 50 milliliter of milk instead if you don't want to use egg. Mix it well so that there's no flour left behind. Now we'll allow this to rest for about 1 hour. That is the autolysis. After that we'll again take it and transfer it onto a work surface, and we'll now knead the dough. We'll knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes soft and elastic. The dough is quite sticky, but try not to add any more flour. Now we'll add about 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. Here I have used olive oil. Now we'll knead it again till it becomes soft and elastic. Now the dough has become is nicely kneaded, and when we extend the dough we can see that it is not tearing. Without tearing, we are able to get a window pane. You can see the light through the dough. So that is the consistency we should achieve after kneading. Now we'll transfer this the kneaded dough into a greased bowl and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel and we'll allow this to rest. After about 2 hours, my dough is risen very well. We'll give it a short knead and we'll shape the loaf. Dust the work surface with some flour and we'll transfer the dough and shape it. We'll roll it out. To the width of the pan and we'll roll it into a tight log. The pan should be well greased. Now while making whole wheat flour, we should be careful about a few things. First is the hydration. As the whole wheat flour contains more fiber and bran, it absorbs more water, so the hydration should be more, about 80 to 90%. And also we'll first autolyse the dough and then do the kneading. Now we'll cover the dough and allow it to rest and wait till it doubles in size. The dough has risen and reached the rim of the pan. Here I have taken a 7.5 by 3.5 inch loaf tin. Now let us brush some ghee on the dough. You can also use milk wash or egg wash. It will give a nice shine to the bread. And we'll bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes in a preheated oven. till it turns golden brown, and when tapped it should give a hollow sound. If the baked bread gives a hollow sound when tapped, that means it is baked. It's so easy to make a healthy and delicious, soft and fluffy whole wheat bread at home. Hope you like the recipe. The bread is beautifully baked. Let us brush some ghee on the bread. It will make the crust soft. Remove the bread from the pan when it is still hot, and we'll wait till the bread cools down completely before slicing it. So the bread is cooled and we'll slice it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.